Hi, myself Harsh Marutra, and I am excited to present my Docker Compose assignment for your review. This project showcases a containerized application with an NGINX reverse proxy, a Go-based service one, and a Python Flask-based service two, all orchestrated using Docker Compose. In this video, I will walk you through the project's purpose, technical setup, live demo, and a bonus feature that make it robust and scalable. So let's see the repo that I updated. This one. So this is my repo, and it is my README file that I have created with the live links that so that you can check live. So this is setup of the project. Uh, so if we talk about NGINX, it acts as a reverse proxy, routing requests to the appropriate service and exposing a health check endpoint to port 8080. Let's see the NGINX file. Yeah, here it is in HTTP block. I have defined access log of stream service 1 which is running on 8001 port and the service 2 which is running on 8002 port. So I reverse proxy the 8002 port and 8001 port to single port which is 8080. So Service one is a Go-based API running on port 8001, providing /ping and /hello endpoints. And service 2 is a Python Flask-based API running on port 8002, also providing /ping and /hello endpoints. So the application is deployed on a public server accessible at my IP, which is 147.79.68.124, and port is 8080, and it also includes health checks, logging, and a test script for validation. Let's dive into a setup and demo. So this is my NGINX file. I have defined it. It is redirecting the service one and service two to the same IP. So let's go to the Docker file of my NGINX. NGINX container. Yeah, NGINX is also running in a Docker container, which is running on image NGINX latest. I've also stored cult command for testing of the URLs. Yeah, I expose it to 8080 port. Let's go through service one Docker file. I have also created a go.mod file to run the mm, go main.go file, and yeah, this is Docker file. I have well defined the Docker file, run apk add no catch curl copy run go mod download, which download mod this one, and yeah, go build main, expose it at 8001 port and cmd main. RMD files, yeah. This is service one, which is Go language based, and yeah, this is service two, which is Python based. This is the Docker file for service 2, which is image, run apt-get, apt install curl. I also installed curl in this also. And copy, run pip install no cache direct backs, Python version, pip so flask, expose it at 8002 port. Yeah, this is all about my Docker file of service 2. So yeah, let's see our Docker compose file, which is main file. Yeah. Yeah, this is version 3.8. I defined first service for NGINX, NGINX, context, so cells, NGINX, Docker file. It is defined inside the NGINX container, and it is reacting at 80 port to 8080. Depends on service one, condition service healthy. Uh, it is run only. NGINX container is run only if the service one and service two both are healthy. I also have done a health check for both. Health check for Nginx also. Interval 30 second, timeout 20 second, retrace is 10, start period 30 second, logging driver JSON file, options and maximum size 10 MB, maximum file 3. Yeah, this is for now. Let's see our service one Docker compose file, build dot service one, which is this folder, Docker file, which is inside the service one, this one, and exposing it at 8001 port, app network. Yeah, this is all about service. Let's see about service two, which is same as service one, Docker file. It is at 10 service two Docker file. This one, it is posing at 8002 port, network app network. Test. I have also added test health check in test. Yeah, this is localhost 8002/ping, which is showing health check for the service to interval logging, etc. Network app network driver bridge. So yeah, I have also created a test.sh file, which is for bonus. I see. Is using shell script. I define. Yeah, this is for colors and echo yellow, echo testing check. This is the test.sh file that I have created. It will check the health check for service 1, service 2, and Nginx container. This is yellow starting API. This check response. It will check HTTP. It will the response of HTTP localhost TTT health. It will show Nginx is running health check. Service 1. It will check ping and for hello. For ping, it will show status okay. I also show you live on my terminal. Yeah, this is all about test.sh. Now we are inside our container. If we go to our project path, which is Ubuntu the assignment. This is our project. I have successfully run the Docker compose command. This is showing all the containers. This is for Nginx, this is for service one, and service two, which state is showing healthy. And if we do compose down, this will down all the Docker containers. Take 1 or 2 minutes sometime. All done successfully. And now if we do Docker compose of minus t build, it will build all the three of them Docker containers. Two of them are successfully created. Now Nginx is creating all the containers. They design all the three containers and the state of all of them are healthy. We see that we have created all the Docker containers successfully. Nginx, Service 1 and Service 2, all of them. So if we go to the links live URL, it have to be show Nginx is running. So let's check. Yeah, it is showing Nginx is running. And if we check the health check for service one for the slash ping path, yeah, it is showing service one status okay. And for hello from service one message, we go to service one hello path, hello from service one. For service two health check, it is showing service two status okay. For hello path, the URL is showing hello from service two, which is so we have checked all the live URL. You can also check by clicking on them. I will not do the Docker compose down command until you see the live URL. So this is all about my project. It is my README file that I have created. I have well defined all and everything that I have done in this README file. Yeah, for if we talk about bonus features, I have done health checks, I have done logging, I have done modular configurations, separate NGINX containers, separate service 1 and service 2 containers, robust setup, handle JSON key ordering, 301 redirects, and service dependency. So this is all about my project, and I have also want to add one of my project that I have done. So let's see. Let's see my project that I have created. Yeah, actually, I have deployed MongoDB from MongoDB Compass to my self-hosted server in a Docker container. This one. I have deployed MongoDB on my self-hosted server. I have also done security and used a firewall for security. I also want to show you my logging and monitoring setup that I have created using Grafana, Prometheus, and a Node Exporter. If we show our dashboard, go to Node Exporter full, it will show all the live logs, which is in 1 minute. If we go once 5 second, it will show and refresh all the logs within 5 seconds. Yeah, this is refreshing all the graphs. It is showing CPU load, system load, RAM used, swap used. I didn't use any swap. This is system load actually. Root FS used. This is memory, and this is all the graphs. If your memory, it will also show all the graphs. The Prometheus is exporting all the logs in Grafana, and Grafana use Prometheus and a Node exporter to display all the logs in the form of UI. This UI. So this is all about my project. Thank you.